Hey guys, and welcome to the 16th episode of my paint and pigment making series where I'll be making oil and acrylic paint out of sulfur. This is one of the pigments that I got from Morocco, and I'll take the second half of this video to show you the rest of those, including mystery pigments. So let's get straight into it. I think everyone is pretty familiar with sulfur, so I won't spend too much time talking about its properties, but it is one of the most abundant materials on Earth, and although there's a bunch of it inside us, it is corrosive in its elemental form and really shouldn't be breathed in or touched with bare skin. It doesn't feel super fine, so I put it through my brand new sieve. It's 150 mesh, which is really nowhere near the ideal and coveted 400, but it's all I can get right now and it'll have to do. The resulting powder does look very fine and promising though. I still can't find my dropper, but I have something even better. I fill my brand new high-tech syringe with walnut oil and surgically add a few drops to sulfur. I don't want to toot my own horn too soon or anything, but I do think I'm about to make a very smooth paint. For real though, this paint is very smooth and buttery. I think it's almost at that perfect sweet spot between powder and syrup. If you've mixed paint from a pigment before, then you know it's a super delicate balance. I think I could have afforded to add one more drop of oil, but I didn't want to ruin a good thing. The color is a bit more vibrant in real life and doesn't translate as well on camera, but it's still a very pleasant opaque pastel yellow. I would def use it as it is in a painting. I mixed some that I had placed on the side with acrylic gel, and that also comes out very nicely. Sulfur won't change color over time and it won't oxidize, so doing a light test won't be necessary. This is what it looked like after 2 weeks or so of drying. No noticeable change there. All in all, 10 out of 10 would use again. Now for the pigments I brought back with me. I just walked into a spice shop and asked them for pigments basically. I know I said I'd get dragon blood, but it just wasn't faded for me this time. I did, however, bring back a few other goodies. To start with, here's mystery pigment number 1. I have no clue or idea what this is called, but apparently it produces red, which I can believe because it does look red. If I remember correctly, I was told it needs to be boiled, which should be interesting. If anyone has any idea what this is, please let me know. Next is mystery pigment number 2. Again, I have no idea what this could be, but I was told that if roasted and ground, it produces a pure black. The next bag is full of some lovely madder root. These roots are big and chunky with no visible yellow cores. Following it is a bag of ground madder root. I think it's madder root. It does look shiny though, so I might need to double check if they're the same thing. Last but not least, the star of the show and the coolest pigment I found is Poppy Red. I didn't even know this existed, to be honest, but it's made out of poppies and it's incredible. It has oxidized a little, it seems, since I last saw it, but it still works great when wet. It's more on the orange side compared to when it was fresh, but I think that could be fixed by tinkering with the pH. It's such a vibrant red, non-toxic, and super exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how these pigments turn out, consider subscribing. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions about anything in this video, please drop them below, and as always, thanks for watching.